In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under business manager. So we're going to focus on the subtopic dissolution and liquidation in business manager. So we have about 15 to 17 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, at the collapse of a business enterprise, the person appointed to dispose asset is called a liquidator, an auctioneer, an auditor, a broker. So the right answer is option A, a liquidator. Very important, guys. So that's it. The next question is this one. It says, when it became necessary to liquidate a company, the first step to be taken is the appointment of, we have liquidator, a receiver, an accountant, an auditor. So the right answer is option A, okay, a liquidator. Okay, next question is this one. It says, on liquidation of a public limited liability company, the residual owners are the, we have preferential shareholders, creditor, ordinary shareholders, debenture holders. The right answer is option C, ordinary shareholders. Okay, next question, this one. It says, entrusting the management of a company to the court to enable the settlement of a company's obligation is an indication of bankruptcy. Option D. Take note of this question, guys. Next one is this one. It says, the process of winding up or bringing a company to an end is liquidation. Option B. Next question is one. It says, at the collapse of a business enterprise, the person appointed to dispose of the asset is called a liquidator. Option A. Okay, next question is one. It says, a liquidator's fee is to be charged to the, we have evaluation account, reconstruction account, realization account, trading account. The right answer is option C, realization account. Okay, next question is one. It says, in which of the following circumstances is a court order not necessary for the winding up of a company? We have suspension of business for 1 year, inability to pay its debts, reduction in the number of members below the legal minimum, special resolution of members. So guys, the right answer to this question where the court order is not necessary is in the special resolution of members. Okay, very important, guys. So the next question will be this one. It says, at the collapse of a business enterprise, the person appointed to dispose asset is called liquidator. Option B. Next question is this. It says, in the event of liquidation of a company, the first to be settled are, we have debenture holders, ordinary shareholders, preference shareholders, members of the board. The right answer is option A, debenture holders. Okay, next question is this one. It says, compulsory dissolution of a business can arise from, have an unfavorable economic climate, an agreement by the owners, determination of its life, a declaration by a court of law. The right answer is option D, a declaration by the court of law. Next question, this one. It says, entrusting the management of a company to the courts to enable the settlement of a company's obligation is an indication of bankruptcy. Option A. Next question is one. It says, which of the following groups is paid first when a firm liquidates? We have cumulative preference shareholder, debenture holders, preference shareholders, ordinary shareholders. Right answer is option B, debenture holders. Okay, this one. So the option here is option B. Okay, it says, in the event of voluntary liquidation, the appointment of a liquidator is the responsibility of the, this is the right answer to this question is directors. Option B. Last question before we end this video, this one. It says, in the case of voluntary liquidation of a business, the receiver is appointed by the shareholders. Option B. So guys, this is basically consider problems involving liquidation and dissolution, a subtopic in business merger for JAMB commerce practice with about 15 repeated questions for this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. To like, share, and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you have any specific question as regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button, so you'll be getting information to help you to excel in exams like the JAMB and other exams we're writing. Because I will know this, click on the next button, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.